Today we will learn how to remove photo background using remove.bg. Simply and faster way. Just a click of a button. Open browser and search remove.bg. Click upload image. And then select the photo you want to change its background. Then click open. Wait for as it upload. The background is removed already. Let's change it by selecting different background. Click edit to do so. Click color for color background options. Select color of your choice by clicking. Click download to download. Click photo button to set images. Select image of your choice. We have changed the background as shown. Let's now upload our own background image. Click upload background. Select the background or image of your choice. Click download in order to download the image. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.